Hey everyone, so I am back with another video. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get these beautiful highlights in your hair with no bleach, no dye, and a super quick and easy process. So let's get into some quick details about this hair. This is the Nadula Brazilian Curly. They sent me this hair and sponsored this video, so thank you so much to them for doing that. I have in 4 bundles of the Brazilian Curly and a lace frontal, which I made into a glueless lace wig. So preparation for this process, I would just make sure your hair is well hydrated and conditioned. This process can be a little drying to the hair. So as far as my curly hair routine, I just added a little extra oil in that process. I will have a link to my curly hair routine video down below. Okay, first step and first product you will need is this Be Blonde Temporary Color Hairspray. I picked this up from Walgreens. It's fairly cheap. And I've used this in a previous video before. So first I'm going to shake the can up really well, make sure everything in there is mixed up. Then I'm going to separate off little pieces of the hair starting at the top, and I'm going to begin to spray the color on. And it's really just as simple as that. I'm going to spray until I get the color payoff that I'm looking for. The more you spray, the more vibrant the color will be. So I want to do a full disclaimer as you see me spraying the hair. This color has a lot of shimmer to it. So if you're thinking like in terms of like eyeshadow, because that's what I would like to compare it to, you have your matte and your shimmers. This has a very shimmery tone to it, like it's almost glitter-like. But you really can't tell unless you're up close. So I just want to put that out there before you continue to watch the video. And because this is a spray, it can get on other objects in the room. So I would say make sure you're in an open space. That way when you are spraying, you aren't getting this color on anything else in the room. I didn't notice much color payoff like on my clothes, but you may want to wear a shirt that you don't mind getting a little shimmery. I did notice that some of the spray color got on the table that I was using in front of me, but I was able to get it off very easily with a household cleaner, so just keep that in mind. So now I'm just going through picking pieces that I want to spray the color on, areas that I feel like need more color. There's literally no method to this. You can color to your liking as much or as little as you would like to. Make sure you aren't neglecting the back of your head. You may need to hold up a mirror so that you can see. And of course, if you're doing this on a wig, feel free to take the wig off, but I just didn't for the purposes of this video. Alright, so the second product you're going to be using is this Garnier Intense Washout Color. And the only thing that I did for this is I poured this in a bowl and I put on gloves so that I could apply it with my fingers, but you can use any application technique you like. I actually picked this up from Walgreens a long time ago, but when I went this time around, I did not see it on the shelf. So I don't even know if they still carry it, but I do know that they do sell it on Amazon. So the reason that I'm using this color is because I want my highlights to kind of be two-toned and look more realistic. So the color payoff of this is shimmery as well, but I do feel like it is slightly more matte than the temporary hairspray color. So that is another reason why I like to use this. And then I want it to be multi-dimensional. So in order to achieve that, you'll see me going through, I'll be placing the color on black strands. I'll be placing it on some of the strands that I've already colored with the hairspray. And that is just so I can have multiple colors just with these simple 2 products. And like I mentioned earlier, you want to make sure you are paying attention to all areas of the hair. So be sure to pull from the back, the sides, and the front when you are placing the color on the strands. And that is pretty much it. This took me about 20 minutes total and I am in love with the results. It doesn't look exactly like if I were to use bleach, but it looks damn close for a fraction of the time. So we've got some browns, we got some blondes, we got some gold tones. Like, it just turned out beautiful. So keep in mind, this is a temporary wash out color. So any products or anything that you add to the hair after the application product can fade the color and will make it less vibrant. Also, when you do your washes, you may need to do multiple washes if you're trying to get all the color out in one process. And that is it. It was super easy, very quick. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, thumbs me up, and let me know if you have any questions about this process. So until next time.